In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the door jamb switch on your GMC K1500. This is going to be located on either side of the dashboard. Let's get started. Open the glove box. On the left side, there's going to be a rod with a tab. We're going to pull this out of the glove box. Pull it up and back, and then squeeze the two sides together, pulling the glove box down. This is the tab on that rod. You need to pull this small tab back and then pull it out. We're going to reach in through the right side of our glove box, and we're going to find this door jamb switch on the side. Once you find that, you're going to feel these two tabs on the side. They need to be depressed, and then we can start to pull this out. The second thing you're going to need to do is push those wings down on either side of the switch. So the first thing we did was push in on the small tabs. Once those small tabs were pushed, I took my hand and pushed down on these wing tabs, and as I pushed on them, I was pulling the sensor out. You can get two done, twist the sensor over, and then do the same thing on the other side. To remove the connector, we're going to lift up on that small tab and pull the sensor off. Install the new switch, push it into place, make sure the connector is fully connected. Install the switch into place. Hook the hooks for the glove box onto the tabs on the bottom. Push the glove box up into place. Grab that rod on the side. We're going to push the glove box slightly up. Pull it forward. Get it installed into the glove box. Onto the driver's side. The process is pretty much the same. This one's actually easier. We're going to pop off this fuse cover. Just pull it straight off. And the sensor is going to be located right behind it. I'm going to follow those same steps, pushing on those small tabs, pulling the sensor out as we do. Now we have both the small tabs. Now we can move on to those wing tabs. Push on both those wings. I pushed on one, and once I had it out, I kept the tension on it and twisted it over so I was able to access the other side. Same thing, open the small tab, remove the switch, install the switch, push it into place, install the fuse cover, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.